Hello kids, do you know how to make these beautiful kites? If no, then watch this video and learn it. For making a kite, we need square shape cutouts, triangle shape cutouts, and strips. So first we will see how to make the strips. So first you have to draw the shape as you like as shown in the video, and you have to cut it. Our strips are ready. Take the square shape cutouts and arrange it as shown in the video. Let's put the glue on each corner of the square. Now you can stick the strip and the triangle shape cutout respectively. As shown in the video. Our kites are ready. I hope you must have enjoyed while watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.